As a growing economy with expanding trade and capital needs, India must also remain deeply integrated with global markets, exporting more and attracting stable long-term investment.
Well, I don't know if she's been stumped yet, but she certainly seems to have missed the ball. In one or two places she may have got edges, but I'm not quite sure that we've got anything off the meat of the bat so far. Well, the speech certainly was completely short of an overall vision. What was it supposed to be about? Was it supposed to be proclaiming a new reform era? It didn't do that. Was it supposed to be performing some sort of belt tightening? It didn't say that. What was it all about? It was a series of subheadings, as I said, but there was no clear unifying vision. And I'm sorry to say that I hear very disappointing news from the stock markets, with the Sensex crashing by several hundred points or 1,000 points. And this is something which we all think is particularly troubling, because you want there to be a certain buoyancy in the economy after a budget speech.
ये गरीब का पेट कहीं नहीं भर सकते हैं। ये बजट गरीब का पेट नहीं भर सकता। नौकरी रोजगार दिए नहीं, नौकरी रोजगार कहाँ दिए? अभी भी बड़े पैमाने पे नौजवान बेरोजगार है। सपने दिखाने वाला बजट है।
They want to destroy the economic structure of the country, the constitutional structure of this country, the independent agency, including the infrastructural facilities, the economy, the social sector.
ये बजट 2047 के विकसित भारत की हमारी ऊंची उड़ान का मजबूत आधार है। साथियों, आज भारत जिस रिफॉर्म एक्सप्रेस पर सवार है, इस बजट से उसे नई ऊर्जा, नई गति मिलेगी। जो पाथ ब्रेकिंग रिफॉर्म्स किए गए हैं, वो एस्पिरेशन से भरे हुए भारत के साहसिक, टैलेंटेड युवाओं को उड़ने के लिए खुला आसमान देते हैं। ये बजट ट्रस्ट बेस्ड गवर्नेंस और ह्यूमन सेंट्रिक अर्थरचना के विजन को साकार करता है।